Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are talking about our machines on hot rolling mills uh, in the industry of TMT and steel bars. This is where we install our oil filtration machines for the application of gear oil and hydraulic oil. As you know, on TMT bars where there's hot rolling mills, a lot of gear oil is used in their gearboxes. Contamination of this gear oil can cause damage to the gearboxes and pump failure and maintenance failure. For this, we do install our Kleenoil filtration machine online wherever the tanks go underground. We remove all moisture and contamination from the oil and make sure that the life of the gear oil is extended, as well as prevent any maintenance damage or any damage to the process. Here you can see the gear oil that we filter from the three stages that you can see. The most contaminated, second passing through the oil in a single pass. We've removed all contamination, ferrous and non-ferrous, as well as moisture, and then coming back to the gear oil, coming back to completely clean. Thank you.